today we are doing a different type of content. I am experimenting, doing a 5-day challenge money on hives.blog. So hives is a decentralized social network where you get rewarded for creating content. So this is going to be a 5-day challenge. So today is Monday. I'm going to be showing you guys my journey creating content on that platform, seeing how it goes. So let me give you guys like a brief rundown on the Hives platform and how it works. So if you haven't watched my video on how I made money on Steamit, how you can make money on your phone via Steamit, and all the things that has happened to the Steamit platform, please check out that video. So it will give you like a background. So like I told you guys in that video, Justin Son has taking over Steamit. Okay, so excuse me, Osas, please reduce that thing. So Justin Son took over Steamit. So you have most of the old creators on Steamit don't use that platform again. So if you go on Steamit, all you will see are mainly Chinese content. And I remember in that video I was referring you guys to a new social network called Voice, but I don't know if Voice has started, but you can sign up on Voice. But Hives is already up and running. It is the same infrastructure of what Steamit used to be. It's just that they now have their own blockchain, but it's the same. When you put out content, if people like your content, called upvote, it's money. Okay, you make money if you reshare somebody else's content. When at the end of 7 days period, there's usually payouts. So what the platform does is that the original content creator keeps 70% of the money earned, while 30% is distributed amongst people that shared that content to other people. So it's basically like what Steamit used to be in those days. So whether you are creating content, whether you are sharing content, you are sharing other people's content, you are making some money. So I checked out what the exchange rate, because I was like, okay, I know that crypto for a very long time there was a bear market, so it wasn't really worth it, like I mentioned in my other video. But I said, okay, let me just check it out, because I saw some of my old friends still creating content, and when I got there I saw people making $50, $20, $25 Hives anyway, $25 and all of that. So I was like, okay, let me check how much one Hive dollar is to Naira. So I went on an exchange. I'll show you guys all that. I went on an exchange and I saw that one Hive dollar to Naira is about 82 Naira. That's not bad. Okay, so in the next 5 days I'm just going to be creating content. Kind of content I'm going to be creating content I already have. Okay, you guys know I've mentioned, if you don't know, I have another channel where I share a lot about gardening and all of that. So I'm going to be sharing gardening related type of content. Okay, so yeah, because I feel like it's a crypto based platform and there are plenty of people talking about cryptocurrency, fintech and all of that stuff. So let's bring in some gardening type of flavor. So for the next 5 days I'm going to be posting every single day. So I'll be taking you guys along on my journey and showing you what I posted, and at the end of the day, if my post made any money or if it did not make any money, because it's not a get rich quick scheme, because you also have to build relationship on the platform. Unlike Steamit, a lot of people are not really using the platform right now, because like I said, since crypto became like a shadow of itself, not a lot of people are creating content on such platforms anymore, like 2 years ago, 2017, 2018, when a lot of people were really creating content on that platform. So yeah, let me not rabble too much with you guys. So join me on this journey. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video and please subscribe to this channel as we carry out this experiment on So you guys, yesterday was day one and I didn't post anything on the Hives platform. So I posted it today because I was doing back-to-back videos yesterday. So if you haven't seen those videos, should have been up right now. I did a video on 7 things I wish I knew when I just started our YouTube. I did a video on WhatsApp status. So I've just been doing a lot of videos, guys. So that was why I couldn't post on the platform yesterday. So today I posted, and within 2 hours I made like 0.12 cents. I don't know what the figure is going to be um by tomorrow, but I'll keep you guys posted. You guys will see the results. So this is day two. So basically this thing is going to be staggered because we know we're doing 5 days. So I just wanted to touch base so that I don't miss out coming to give you guys an update on what the platform has been as at today. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like I told you guys, I was going to be posting about my garden, and that's what I posted on the platform. And yeah, so that's the update. So I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. So guys, welcome to day three of our challenge. We are going very strong, guys, and I'm just so excited. Okay, what's your cartoon? I'm just so excited, guys, because I just posted, and I posted about mushroom for my garden. You guys, I have another channel that I share gardening stuff, so I posted mushroom for my garden, and that post has done $0.32, 0.32 cents, sorry. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'm going to show you guys what the post is. I'm just going to show you guys a brief overview of what the post is. So yeah, I'm just so glad that I could do this today. Okay, so cheers to us. So let me just say this: if you want to sign up on Hives, you can actually, I'll put the link in the description box if you want to sign up on the platform, but you need to keep whatever posting key you are going to generate, because that posting key is like your password. Is actually your password. So they are going to give you 4 different types of posting keys that gives you different rights to do different things. So there's a posting key for posting normal blog posts or posting videos or whatever you want to post, and there's a owner key that you can use to do wallet transactions, as if you want to take out your money. Do you understand? So I just said let me say that, okay? And it's free to sign up. It may take some days, it may take some. I remember when we were signing up on the Steemit platform, me, it took 1 day for them to approve me, but some other people like my husband, it took like 2 weeks, some other people 1 month. So it varies. I don't know if it has changed, but because they like to screen whoever is coming up on the platform so that they can reduce number of scammers and all those kind of people on the platform. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much. If you haven't smashed the like button, oh yeah, smash it now. Smash the like button now. Okay guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We are going very strong. Like, it has been quite challenging meeting the deadlines and all of that because of electricity and just a bunch of things, but we are on. So today I'm putting up a post. I'm thinking about putting up something different from what I've been putting up so far. I've been putting up a lot of gardening related stuff, so I'm thinking about doing something a little bit different, something related to finance, crypto scams. If you haven't seen, I did a video on money that I lost in crypto scams, and I'm thinking, since that's a platform where there are a lot of crypto enthusiasts, so let's just do a post about that. Okay, and also to put the link of that video, okay, there, and see if we can drive some traffic here and there. So that's what I'm doing today, guys, and I'll show you guys my post and what it is. Guys, welcome back to the final day of our challenge, and I'm so excited that I've been able to go through this entire process. So it's supposed to be a 5 days challenge. I ended up posting 4 times, and it was really very tasking because I'm creating content on YouTube and other platforms. So adding this extra one was not easy, but we did it and we're here. So at the end of these 5 days, what I will say is that creating content on a blockchain social media is great, okay, but I don't think that you want to do it as your source of livelihood. Do you understand? It's a great way to get introduced into cryptocurrency, learning about cryptocurrency, earning cryptocurrency, okay? And yeah, I'm building a community, because creating content, guys, is all about, and if you want to earn from creating content on any platform, you have to prepare your mind that you want to build a community around it. So I'm going to put a screenshot of how much, I don't even know how much I have made in total, because they usually give you your payout at the end of 7 days from the day you created your first content. So 7 days, I started on Tuesday, it's going to be this coming Tuesday. Today is Sunday, okay? So yeah, so I've made there's a post that had 0.32 cents, 0.29 cents. Like, I don't think everything altogether was even up to $1. Yeah, and I think that's because it's been a while that I've been posting on the platform. Like I've said it, that like I've not posted on that platform for close to 8-9 months consistently. So yeah, sorry about the light going in and coming in. So that's about it. So but it's great if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency. Starting to create content on such platforms gives you like a first-hand experience of earning in crypto, because you have to get your money into your wallet to convert your money from the particular cryptocurrency to your country's currency. Like in my own case, to naira, you have to make use of an exchange, and those are things that that's basically how you make transactions in the crypto space. Also, it also helps you to keep your wallet, posting keys, because on the platform, like on normal social media platforms, I think I've explained it earlier on, they'll tell you to create your normal password, but on this platform there's a user generated key. There are user generated keys that do different things, and once you misplace those keys, you can't get another one. You cannot chat with them, so I misplaced my key, it's gone, your account is gone, so you have to create a new account. Like I remember when my very first account I created on Steemit, because I didn't know all of this, I misplaced my keys, or when I was creating the account, I didn't know that I had to pay attention, because they are very long cryptic keys, you can't even memorize them. So I misplaced it, and I had made over like $100 on that particular account. Today is over 2 years now, I can't even access that money. I had to create another account differently. So if you are thinking of, after you watch this video, like, okay, this is something I would like to do, and you want to create your account, you can DM me on Instagram, JinigaBiz, okay, and I can put you through, all right, and just tell you how to go about it. But you have to be very, very, very particular about keeping your posting keys, your private keys. It's like your bank pin. Do you understand? And you don't want any other person to know about it. So yeah, guys, tell me if you enjoyed this challenge. Leave your comments in the comment section, and also give me ideas of other social media type of challenges that I can do relating to cryptocurrency, digital marketing, fintech, and all of that. So if you haven't joined my online family, what are you waiting for? Do join this family, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.